question. Ah yes, if you see my last video, are the exact same clothes me have on. Cause I me say we're clothes in 2025. I mean, I care if you don't want to say, are the same clothes him have on. I mean, I care if you don't want to call it one uniform. Me I go wear my clothes them. So the question I feel all Caribbean people. Because me slowly I come to realize, say a whole heap of way, the things the same. Like for instance, why would I like refer to each other by the government name? No, hear me. When I thought they come to mind, me never the two plan for rhyme. But me I pre that one from a taller time. For instance, my little friend named Michaela, but her auntie Adamant said she could call her Renee. Or like my wife Uncle, who used to call her Venus, even though she named Kay. I don't know. We just love use nicknames. I mean, I always thinking it funny. Like we call you Bigs, Blacks, Tall Man, even call you Money. And don't be offended, If you can't talk, we go as far as we call you Dummy. And that just crazy to me. But not lie. Someone want to find out. This bag of use of nicknames. Where it come from? How start it? How why?